Hey everyone, this video features a flight report of my trip from Frankfurt to Chicago on Lufthansa's premium economy cabin. Let's get started. One of the benefits of a premium economy ticket is its baggage allowance while traveling to the US. You can carry 2 bags compared to 1 bag on an economy ticket. When the boarding was quick, I didn't see the need for priority boarding. But Lufthansa can include it as one of the benefits of a premium economy ticket. After a long walk, I was on board the aircraft. Here's the business class cabin, which I'm not a fan of. The cabin layout doesn't offer privacy or comfort for the price. I'm not here to talk about that. Let's move on to the premium economy cabin. With 28 seats in premium economy, here's the cabin layout on this aircraft. 29A was my seat number. In this layout, there isn't a galley or a washroom close by. I'll discuss that later in the video. And here's the premium economy cabin. The cozy fabric seats had a seat pitch of 38 inches, a width of 19 inches, and reclined to 8 inches. From this seat, you get to enjoy the view from 2 windows. One of the things you notice once you settle down is a water bottle with a hydration cube. There's a small storage space below the screen for your items. One of the best features I liked about this seat was the ample leg space. I was comfortable even with the backpack under my legs. The leg rest is another ideal feature of this seat. It had stopping points at different angles, which made a difference on a long-haul flight. You have a nice synthetic leather armrest on your left and another one on your right, which also houses a cocktail table, tray table, and a recline button. Right below the cocktail table is the remote control for the in-flight entertainment, the reading light above you, and the call button. A small pillow and a blanket were waiting for me at the seat. The blanket was cozy enough to make me smile every time I got under it. As I settle down, I got these airplane earphones. If you've been on a long-haul flight, you'll know how these sound. Well, the contents of the seat pocket don't really count as amenities, and I didn't know where else to add them. In the seat pocket, you'll find the safety manual, an in-flight shopping menu, and a sickness bag. The in-flight shopping menu usually turns into my reading material on long-haul flights. Right below the seat, you'll find an outlet to charge your devices. Next to the remote control, you'll see some storage space. Don't leave your things behind if you use them. You'll find an amenity kit from Porsche Design inside this space. The amenity kit had a sealed tab to ensure it was unopened.
Wir bitten Sie, sich mit den Sicherheitsvorkehrungen vertraut zu machen.
We will now show you the safety features on board.
Once taxiing began, the safety video started playing.
Dear guests, I would like to give you some information concerning the service today. As soon as we've reached our cruising altitude and as soon as all our preparations in our kitchens have been completed, we will serve a hot lunch with beverages followed by coffee and tea. Afterwards, you also have the opportunity to purchase duty-free items on board. Before landing in Chicago, we will serve a snack. And during the entire flight, we are having beverages for you ready in our galleys. Should you have any question, any request, don't hesitate to contact one of us. We will be happy to assist you. Dear guests, please do enjoy your stay on board with us. Thank you.
As I mentioned, the armrest on the right holds the tray table. To enjoy your meal, you need a sturdy tray table that can extend. This tray table does its job nicely and hides inside the armrest. Even before receiving the earphones, I was greeted by the cabin crew with a cup of orange juice, lightly spiced with black pepper. The flavor of the drink was really good. The menu came along with the orange juice. It had food options printed in German, English, and Spanish. If you have pre-booked your meal like I did, you wouldn't need this menu except for beverages. Once the flight reached cruising altitude, these crackers came up and I opted for a cup of tomato juice. And here's my pre-booked vegan meal. One of the benefits of pre-booking your meal is that your meal arrives first. The meal consisted of salad, dressing, pumpkin coconut curry with rice, chocolate mousse with raspberry compote, oat milk, bread, and vegan butter. The portion size was perfect for me, and the meal was delicious. The rice and curry tasted flavorful. The dessert was the best part. I wish I had more. When the cabin crew came around with hot beverages, I couldn't say no to a cup of tea. The second meal, a snack, was served an hour before landing. It had fruits and a vegan sandwich, and this time it was a glass of orange juice. Everything tasted to my liking, and that ended the meal service. Lufthansa offers 3 in-flight Wi-Fi plans on long-haul flights. Flynet messaging is a service you can purchase for $7 for the entire flight. Flynet Premium is a service that allows you to surf the internet as you would at home. It's priced at $18 for 2 hours. Flynet Premium Full Flight is a service priced at $27 for the entire flight. The 12-inch in-flight entertainment screen was easy to use and the touch response was good. It had movies, TV shows, audiobooks, podcasts, music, and more to keep you busy during the long-haul flight. If you're traveling with kids, they have many movies your kids might enjoy. The flight views are fine, but not completely to my liking. I prefer the ones where you can pinch and zoom the views. After sleeping through most of the flight, I watched the 4th installment of the Bad Boys movies. For an old aircraft, the cabin looked well maintained. And this was one of the aircraft where you wouldn't find an air nozzle above your seat. As I said, the only way to access the washroom or galley is to cross 2 zones of economy seating. The first galley didn't have any snacks, but the second one at the back was stocked. Washroom tours are not usually my thing, but since this is a detailed review, why not? The washroom was clean and had the basic stuff you would get on a long-haul flight.
from the cockpit crew, and as you can see, since the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on, we are now starting the approach into Chicago.
As the flight lands, let me sum it up. I enjoyed traveling on premium economy a lot. Factors like seat comfort, food, service from the cabin crew, and punctuality were 5 out of 5. The in-flight entertainment and amenities were at 4 out of 5 and accessibility at 3 out of 5. I think it was definitely worth the extra price for the seat comfort alone on a long-haul flight. If you're on a budget and still want a great experience on this flight, I suggest you purchase a seat in the preferred zone of the economy cabin.
Welcome to Chicago. Flight Captain Schulte-Lindberg and the entire crew would like to say goodbye to you. Thank you very much for traveling with Lufthansa Starlines today. We all wish you a very pleasant stay here in Chicago or a safe journey to your final destination. We would be very happy to welcome you on one of our future flights once again. We all say Dankeschön and Auf Wiedersehen.
That'll be it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you have any questions. I shall see you in another one. You have an amazing day.